This is the third day testing the 5-second binary options trading strategy. Uh, a quick disclaimer before jumping into the strategy and trading. It is very important for me to say that 5 seconds expiry trading based on a 30-second um, chart is highly dangerous. Your capital is at risk, especially if you have small amounts. However, we will give the strategy the benefit of the doubt and we will keep on testing it for the rest of the week. This is the third day. The first day was extremely profitable. We made $31 of starting balance of 100. And yesterday we ended the session with a 2 point something dollars in loss. So we considered yesterday a tie. So up to this point, we have one winning day and one day was a tie. This is our third day. Now today onwards, I will add a few layers of technical analysis since the strategy as it was suggested to me doesn't involve any kind of technical analysis or candlestick patterns. It's very robotic. It doesn't rely on any technical basis. So for today, I will add a few technical analysis factors here and there, depending on what I see on the charts, yet still rely on the first 5 seconds of the opening candles. First things first, so you know as well, the strategy involves also compound martingale. So when you have a win, you stick to your trade amount. If you have a loss, you will have to double up to recover the previous loss and add a certain amount of profits as well. So let's jump into the Excel sheet so I can show you the trade amounts and how the martingale part of the system works. So here we go. So we set up 5 trades cycle. So these are the 5 trade amounts. This is your first trade. If it's a win, this is the net profit you will make. As long as you are winning, you stick to the first trade amount. If you lose, this is the second trade amount. This is your net profit after recovering the previous loss, and so on. Usually, I prefer to stop at this level. However, I'll add a fifth trade to stress test the strategy. In my opinion, you should have at least $500 in your balance for this strategy, for these amounts to be relatively safe in terms of money and risk management. Now, since we are testing it with $100. For me, it's great since we will be heavily stress testing the strategy. Let's put it under heavy pressure and see after 7 days what will result, what the outcome is going to be. Now, for those of you, if you are watching me on YouTube replay, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to join my trading team, all the links you need are in the description box. I also have a special 100% deposit bonus for all those who subscribe under my link. That's an exclusive bonus for my subscribers. All right. Keep in mind also we do a daily trading session. I send around 5 signals on my Telegram group, my VIP group. We've been winning most of the time. Um, the average is out of 5 trading days, we are having 4 winning days, 1 losing day. The average win rate is around 70 to 75%, which is very achievable. Okay, without further ado, let me start by setting up the charts and explaining the strategy. First thing, you need to go to your chart section over here, normal candles, and we will switch to 30 seconds chart. So every bar you see represents 30 seconds of price data. The second setup we need to do is to go over here to the time, click on the flag so it becomes a clock, and by default it will be 5 seconds, which is okay. If it's not, just click over here the S5 option. Third, we need to set the first trade amount to 1. Now, very important factor for this strategy to work, you need to be trading on pairs that have at least a 90% payout. Anything below 90%, your martingale strategy will end in a loss. So you need 90% at least. Let me add a few pairs with proper return on investment. Lots of 92% pairs today, which is great. The broker keeps on changing those returns, so you have to keep an eye on those. Now, the strategy, let me activate the timer. It's important you enable your timer over here so you can see how much time is left on your 30-second candle. Now, the strategy as it was presented to me at first, the only thing you have to do is to wait for the first 5 seconds of the opening of the new 30-second candle. If the first 5 seconds are in red, like in this case, go for a sell, 5 seconds expiry, excuse me. And if the opening of your candle for the first 5 seconds is green, you go for a buy for 5 seconds expiry. Excuse me. So this is the strategy as it was suggested, and this is how it is shown all over the place, all over the internet. Now, this is, in my opinion, this is very dangerous. So I will add a few more technical analysis in place procedures. I will add one indicator only, which is the moving average. I will give it a 200 period. So at least we can see a general trend of the pair we are looking at. So whenever you have a situation like this, I will stick to taking buy trades only. And if I have a reversal happening, like in this case, I'll take sell trades only. However, I will prefer to see a situation like this happening, a clear downward momentum below the 200. So in this case, I'll take sells only. So whenever the price is below the 200 moving average, I will take only sell trades. If it is above the 200 moving average with a clear upward momentum like this, I'll take buy trades only. So this is the factor I'll be adding today uh, to have some sort of a, directional trading or technical trading in place, and try at least mitigate the gambling factor that goes into this strategy. So that being said, let's start. Let me see here the payouts, the amounts. Okay, so we have the $1 in place. Let me try and find something that has a clear trend in place. Of course, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate. Use the live chat box. If this is the first time you watch me, subscribe, give us a thumbs up. So let's begin. I need something to have a clear momentum. So see here we have a clear downward momentum. Let me add this trend line here. See, we have a common rejection point. Beautiful. So I will take sells, whatever red I get from the candles, I take a sell. If it's close to this area, it's even better. All right. So let's go ahead. We have red. Okay, I'm a bit late on this one. However, it's a win. First one of the day. Perfect. Let's go. Let's stick to this trade. I only take sell positions. So let's wait for the next bar open. That's it. We have green, green. Nope, I won't trade. I need to see red. Why? Because the price is below the 200 moving average with a clear downwards momentum, and we have a clear trend line over here, clear rejection point. So we stick to those. Very easy. Nothing is complicated here. So let's see. Okay, we have red, green. Okay, give me red. Nope. So I won't take any trade on this one. Remember, the first 5 seconds color of the candle will identify your trade direction. I am taking only sells in this case as the pair is in a downwards momentum. So let's see. Okay, we have red, 27, 25, we have red. Oops, that's it. Okay, come on. And we have a win. So let's wait. I forgot to mention the goal. Once we reach $20 up, I will stop trading. Once we reach $20 down, I'll see what I will do. So let's see. Beautiful push. Let's see. Give me red. 27, 26, 25. We have a red. We go for a sell. That's a win. So we have up till now three back-to-back wins in a row. Let's see. I need a red opening on the next candle. Okay, 28, 27, 5. We have a red. We go for a sell. Beautiful. Fourth win in a row. So we might see a rejection over here from this point. Look at this. See that? Common rejection point. So the pair is moving in a channel like situation. However, we might see a break to the downside as well. Let's see. We have red. Go for a sell. Fantastic. Five back-to-back wins. Beautiful. Now, if it gives me a green on this one, I might take it because as you can see, the pair is moving in a channel. So now we are at the bottom of the channel. So you might expect a pullback. So if it gives me green, I'll go for it. Green, we have green, go for a buy. And it's a loss. So now that you have a loss, we increase the amount to 2.3 as per the Excel sheet. Yes, 2.3. I will wait. I want red. I want to take a sell or a buy in this case because we are close to a rejection area. Green, green as well. Green, go for a buy. Oops, I forgot to change the trade amount. And we have a loss. So let me see over here. So I lost 2 in this case. I forgot to change the amount. So our next trade will be 5.5. So let me change the amount to 5.5. We have green. Green. At the bottom of the channel, we go for a buy. And we have a win. So why did I take buys over here? Because look at this. The pair is moving in a channel to the downside. So this is a pullback area for greens to step in. Now we might wait for the price to get back up over here and look for sells. Okay, this is something you can do. So adding technical analysis to your strategy can increase your chances of mitigating a little bit of the risk and making more money. Let's go back to $1 amount. It's getting close to our higher level of the channel. So I need red. I'll go for sells only in this case. Let's see, we have red. Okay, we go for a sell. That's a loss. Second amount is 2.3. Waiting for the next candle open. So this is the third day of testing strategy. We have green. I won't take the trade. I need red. No red. So we wait for the next candle. Now this might take a little bit more time for you to find the trade. However, you are on a 30 seconds chart, so there is an abundance of opportunities for you to trade. So let's see. Okay, it's breaking the channel a little bit. We might see a rejection. That's it. Give me green. Give me red. Red. That's it. 25. Go for a sell. And that's a loss. So third trade amount is 5.5. And we wait for the next candle open. If I win the the next trade, I will change the pair. You might have a breakout of the channel, however, it's not confirmed yet. So I'm having green over here, so I will not trade. See, if I took a buy over here, it would have been a loss. Let's see the next candle, if it's gonna push back inside the channel. Let's see, green, green, no trade. So as long as the price is moving below the 200 moving average, we only take sells unless you have your channel over here and the price is close to the rejection point, then buys are okay. Only in this exception. So let me see the next candle. I need a red. This is a strong resistance area. We have red. Red, we go for a sell. Beautiful, come on, that's it. And we have a win. Guys, we are already 9.4% up, which is amazing, to be quite honest. Let me see how many trades have we took. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of 11 winning trades. That's how much? Let's see. That's a 64% win rate, which is very decent. To be quite straightforward, that's very decent. And how much time did it take? 8 minutes. So we actually made 9% ROI in 8 minutes. Guys, this is amazing. For $100 account, I would be glad and stop trading. So, but since we are stress testing strategy, I need to reach my daily goal, which is $20. So I'll go ahead and find another pair. Let's see something clearly trending. So here we have a beautiful uptrend. Let me draw a line just to make sure. All right, I'll go for buys on this one. So this is the common rejection point. Let me put this line over here. No problem. Trend line. Very easy, guys. Simple trend line. See, most common rejection point. So I'll go for a buy. If I get green, I will not take sells. I have green. Nope, green. Yes, we go for a buy. Oops, I forgot to change the amount. We have a win. We go back to $1. So let's see the next candle opening. Remember, we have a common rejection point here. So if I see green, I go for it. Let me see green. Next bar open. Nope, we have a red. We have a green. Green, we go for a buy. And we will have a win. Nope, it's a loss. 2.3, you add your trading amount as per your Excel sheet. Let me wait for the next candle as well. I only would take buys on this one. Let's see, we have green, green, red. I don't take anything. We don't do anything. So if I get a green after 3 power red bars, that would be nice. That's a different strategy actually for another day. Let me see green. Nice. We have green 27, 5. We have green. Go for a buy. And that's a loss. We adjust the trading amount to 5.5. So 4 back-to-back reds. Green has to step in at some point. Let's see. Do we have green? No. We have red. Nope. We have red. I won't do anything. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a beautiful close. If I get a green after this one, I'll go in. Beautiful. That's it. Come on, give me green. 28, 27, 26, 25. We have a green. Okay, we have a loss. I'll go for the fourth trade amount, which is 13. It's rejecting from this point. I need a green. Two bottoming tail bars would be nice. Nice, that's it. Give me a green. Green, powerful green. 26, 25. We go for a buy. And it's a win. Guys, we are already 17.6% up. We still have around $2.50 to reach our daily goal. I will change pair. 86% is not enough. Let me see this one. Okay. So here you have an uptrend. However, your situation right now is kind of flat. So I would avoid this. 92% pairs, remember. This is nice. This is kind of a retracement. So, and we have topping tail bars happening. So let me see. So sellers might be coming back in. We are in a downtrend. Give me red. Oops, let me change the amount to 1. So let's see the next bar open. We are looking for cells in this case. We have green, red, green, nope, we don't do anything. We wait for the next bar open. If you have any questions, please, if you're watching us on YouTube replay, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, green, green, nope. And if you have any questions, you can use the comments box. If you want to join our trading team, all the links you need are in the description box. If you contact me on Telegram personally, I also have a 100% deposit bonus if you deposit through our links on Pocket Option. Let's see next candle. Beautiful. We have lots of topping tail bars. I need red. Nope. We have a green, so we don't do anything. Let's wait for the next bar to open. Okay, we have green as well. Nope, we have red. We go for a sell. Was a bit late on this one. No problem. We go for 2.3. We increase the amount. So let's see the next bar open. We have red, powerful red, 27, 6, 5. Nope, we have green. So no trade. Why? Because we have a general downward momentum. And this might be a retracement for the pair to go back down to its original course. So let me see. I need red, 28, 27, 26, 25. We have red. We go for a sell. That's a loss. We increase the trade amount. Third trade of the cycle, 5.5. I need to see a sell signal. So this is a retracement out of a general downtrend. So we only take sells. That's it. I need red. 27, 5. Okay, I have my red. Beautiful. That's it. And that's it, guys. We are 19.4% up. Our goal is $20. You can easily stop at this point. You reached your daily goal. This was relatively quick session. We reached the goal very quickly. We started 11:10, 11:28, so 18 minutes. So, guys, at this point, we have our third winning day, actually, the second winning day of the test. Do you want me to continue trading without any technical analysis? Do you want me to set an additional $10 goal, so reaching $30 here without using any technical analysis? So we'll do, if we get a green, first five, we go for a Y. If we get a red, we go for a sell. I remove the indicators. I will not do any technical analysis. Do you want me to do this? If yes, please tell me in the live chat. So a quick observation, adding a few technical analysis to your 5-second strategy um, can decrease your risk heavily and increase your profits. Watching, do you want me to continue and add another $10 goal to reach without using any technical analysis? The complete risk in this case, let me see, that's 3 point, let's say 5. Usually I stop at 4, okay? So is additional and optional. So If you consider 5 cycles, 4 cycles, that's around 18.5, 20, around 24, $23. So that's the whole risk of the four. Sarwar. Okay, so the complete risk is around $24. Rolexers continue 10 more. Okay, so we have one vote to continue 10 more. Sarwar, do I continue without any form of technical analysis? I will remove the 200 moving average. I will stick to only the first 5-second color. Can we set a moving average of 50 instead of moving average 20? Sarwar, Sandeep Yeradodi. Sandeep, 50 is too short. The 20 moving average will give you a higher accuracy of the direction of your trend. So it's actually smoothing out. It's actually smoothing out 200 candles to the past and giving you some sort of a directional movement of the pair. So yes, you can use the 50. However, I always, whenever I use indicators on a chart, I always stick to 200. Is it a 1 minute chart, a 5 minutes chart, a 30 seconds chart? I prefer the 200 as it will give you a clearer directional bias, so to speak. So look at this. When you have something moving heavily below, you have a clear, powerful trend to the downside. See that? But it's up to you. Any form of additional technical analysis factor to such a strategy is beneficial. Okay? Sarwar, if we go with 5 cycle martingale, the risk would be $54. Exactly. Now, for a $500 account, 54 is okay. So you are 10% down if you lose. You are only 10% in case you have a $500 account. That's okay, $54. So that's it. Yes, technicals will reinforce our strategy. Exactly, Sirwar. So you know what, guys? Since I see you are interested, I'll keep on trading. I remove all technical analysis from the trading decision. Let me remove that 200 moving average. So at this point, we have a second winning day. So from this point onwards, we are actually doing something blindly. Let me select another pair. So I will not do any technical analysis. I will just trade based on the first 5-second color. So let's begin. Let me adjust to the first trade amount, which is 1, and wait for the next candle open. So now we are doing no technical analysis whatsoever. Let's see. We have red 26, 25. We go for a sell. That's a win. Perfect. So let's wait for the next bar open. So now we removed all technical analysis from the strategy, from the decision-making process, and we are sticking only to the first 5-second color of the new candle. We have red, green, powerful green. Oops. Okay, that's a loss. This one was extremely jumpy. Avoid trading this. When you see something jumping green, red, avoid it. So let's see the second bar. It's a strong surge. Green, red, powerful red. 25, we go for a sell. Okay, we also have a loss. So we go to our third trading amount, which is 5.5. Let's see the opening of the next bar. Green, Powerful red, 26, 25. We go for a sell, and that is a win. We go back to $1. I'll take one last trade on this pair and change the asset. Let's see, 5 seconds left. Okay, we have powerful green, green, 25, we go for a buy. Bad entry point a little bit, and we have a loss. So we increase the amount to 2.3 and wait for the next bar. Let's see, 3 seconds left. Okay, we have green, switching to red. 25, we go for a sell. Beautiful drop, that's a win. We go back to one trade, $1 trade. I'll change the pair. So we are already $3 in, up towards our $10 additional goal that we put in place. So now we changed the pair. I'm intentionally choosing exotic pairs. These usually move very jumpy candles, lots of wicks. So without doing any technical analysis, any directional bias, I'll take my trades solely based on the first 5 second color of a new bar open. Okay, so here we go. Green, strong green, 27, 26. We go for a buy. We have a win. Let's wait for the next bar. $4 into our target already. 5 seconds left on this one. Okay, we have it's jumping, strong green. We go for a buy. That's a loss. Let me increase the trade amount to 2.3. And let's see the next candle open. Let me activate the auto scroll since I'm not doing any kind of technical analysis. Okay, we have green. Nope, green, powerful green. We go for a buy. Pull back on us. Okay, so we adjust to the third trade amount, 5.5. And let's wait for the next candle open. Strong red, 26, 25. We go for a sell. Very close. And now we go to the fourth trade amount, 13. See, it's becoming risky. It's becoming risky. However, we are still in profit overall. Okay, let's see. Strong red, 26, 25. We go for a sell. And here we go. We are in profit. We go back to the initial trade amount, which is 1. We still need 2.70 cents. I'll change pair. Let me go for something else. This is highly dangerous. Lots of wicks. However, I don't care. I will trade the strategy. 25. We have a green. We go for a buy. Avoid when you see a pair that has so many wicks up and down. Avoid it. 2.3 since we lost the first. Let's see the candle, the next bar opening. Red, Powerful red, 27, 25, we go for a sell. That's a loss, very close one. So we increase the amount to 5.5. Wait for next candle. This is highly dangerous. I wouldn't trade this one. However, let's stress test the strategy as much as we can. Huge, huge. Let's see. Huge red. 25, we go for the sell. Lots of momentum on this one. And we still need $1. So we adjust to $1. I'll stick to this pair. It's in a general downtrend. Let's see the next candle. Okay, we have powerful red. 26, 25, we go for a sell. And last second loss, increase the amount to 2.3. Let's see. Come on. Let's see the next board. Okay, we have red, strong red. 25, we go for a sell. Pulled back, pulled back on us. Oh, that's a refund. Whenever you have a refund, stick to the same amount that you already traded, since pocket option will refund you the full amount. So let's wait for the next bar. Green, green, red, we go for sell. And that's a win. Perfect. So we reached our $10 goals without any technical analysis. Let me see how much time did we spend overall to make those 30% ROI on our balance. So we started 11:10. Now it's 11:42. So how much time? 32 minutes of trading. You are making approximately $1 per minute, which is quite decent. At this point, I would definitely stop. I already made 30% on my balance. Even if I had a $500 account, a $25 goal for the day is fantastic, guys. I'm telling you, you are actually making 5%. Okay, so let's conclude the third day. So the first day was a winning day. We made $31. The second day, I will consider it a tie since I was in a $40 drawdown and I recovered most of it. We lost $2.5 second day. Now, third day of trading is a win with $30.16 in profit. However, the first day I didn't use any technical analysis. I only went with the trend. This day over here, zero technical analysis. This day included the first half, the first $20. I included technical analysis. The second $10 win without any technical analysis. In my opinion, this was the safest day of all. We never reached the fifth trade amount. So we only reached the fourth trade of the cycle, rarely, only twice, I think, or three times only in 30 minutes, which is fine. So I'll give you a few minutes if you have questions. If you have questions about the strategy or any other strategy, I'll give you a few minutes before wrapping this up. This was a quick session. I liked it. So we have two winning days so far out of three, and the third day is a tie. So the strategy is proving itself little by little. That goes without saying. Personally, I do not trade this kind of a high frequency um, trading style. However, if after finishing the 7 days of testing we have majority winning days, this could be something you can work with, and this could be something I can work with as well. Always keep an open mind. So I'll give you a few more minutes if you have any questions or suggestions, anything about binary options or Forex, no problem. So this was, you should always have an Excel sheet by your side. Set your amounts in place so you always have your proper amounts. You know what is the next amount gonna be, and try to do some sort of a calculation so you know after each winning trade how much you will be net in profit and if you are gonna recover the past losing trades or not. Today we didn't, have to use the fifth trade. We used the fourth trade amount actually 2 or 3 times. Most of our trades stayed within the first 3 trades of the martingale cycle. Okay, since I see no questions in the live chat, thank you so much for watching. Highly appreciate your presence. If you didn't give us the thumbs up, please go ahead and do so. And see you tomorrow for the fourth testing day of the 5-second binary option strategy. Thank you and see you tomorrow.